Hey friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can put your video like this in your case study projects on your portfolio website. So follow along with me. So here's the case study that I've created inside Figma, and if you want to know how I created the full case study and how I created the outline, you can check out the video that I'm linking here and also in the description below to just learn how I created the whole case study inside Figma. But for this video, I'm gonna show you how you can put a video prototype inside your case study project. By the way, if you wanna learn how I created this whole section, you can also watch the video that I'm linking here and also in the description below so that you can learn like how I created the whole prototype and how I masked the prototype in Premiere Pro. And it's super easy process. So let's dive into the main points. Here in the Webflow, this is my project page and I have all of these images here. Let me delete this one, delete. We're coming to the add panel from the left side, and we can just simply place a background video here in this section. Perfect. So here's the background video and we simply click on upload video, and then we can just put our video inside. Here's the video that I want to put inside. So I'm gonna simply put it here and uploading it. Okay, so one thing that you want to make sure here, as you can see, my video doesn't show up. So I'll be coming here to put the z-index in the position section. Z-index should be 1. Z-index is about the order of your layers. You need to put z-index for the video 1, so it's like above the rest of the layers. So this is how it works, and if it didn't work, you can put 2 so that it's like above all of the rest of the layers. So here our video is showing and we can just test the prototype. But one thing is that like the width and height doesn't seem like to be true. I'm gonna just adjust the size of the like height. For example, 280 pixels should work well. Let's test it again together. It seems so great. And we can just adjust the size for the rest of the breakpoints that you can see here. Here is the iPad version. So I'm gonna just probably put 180, or maybe we hold shift and the down key so that we can jump by 10 pixels. Okay, it should be 200, and for mobile landscape, a little bit lower, 180. So you get the idea. You just need to adjust the size of the height for the rest of the breakpoints, and 100 should work for mobile. Also, we can just remove the pause button here by going to the settings, and here you can see include play and pause button. So we can simply remove the pause button, and it's gonna automatically save, and you can just publish it on your project page. Hope this video was helpful for you. I highly recommend you to check out my rest of the videos so that you can see how I created the whole case study outline and how I moved everything from Figma to Webflow. Also, I'm gonna create another video for Webflow basics, and it's kind of a Webflow one-on-one video that I'm planning to create pretty soon, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on the UX design and product design tutorials. Thank you so much guys. Bye until the next video.